Isebe lezempilo kwiphondo laseFreystata lithi likulungela ukusabalalisa umgomo kungoku nje selinika ingqwalasela kumacandelo abasebenzi ezempilo abaza kugonywa kuza kuqalwa ngabasebenzi bezempilo ze isigaba sesibini bengabasebenzi benkonzo ezingundoqo namaqela asemngciphekweni ukuze isigaba sesithathu sijongane nabantu abangaphezulu kweminyaka eli-18 ngolase Mzini.
We've been working on a survey right now just to test the readiness of healthcare workers to vaccinate, why they want to vaccinate. Even those that say they don't know whether they should vaccinate or not. We want to know why, so that we can work on those areas.
Noxa kunjalo umbutho manesi Dinosa uthi abasebenzi bezempilo abazino wathwethwa ngalomgomo.
We have tried our level best to engage with the authorities of health to give us a plan as to how this vaccine is going to be rolled out.
So we saw the healthy population without comorbidities, with age who are healthy, they tend to actually not have the severe COVID-19 disease. So what it means is that once the vulnerable population has actually been protected, it will be easy for them, even if the younger generation or the healthier population gets infected, they will not be able to actually infect. So that will control the transmission, because the infections among the vulnerable population and the healthy population will actually be reduced.
I'm not going to take the vaccine, not that I'm against it or anything. I just feel like for me as an individual, I feel like it's not necessary, because as a person you should take the necessary precautions against the virus, you know.
I think it is very important for our health, for the health purpose, and for us to stay safe, you know. I think if it is rolled out, yes, I will take it.
Isebe lezempilo kweliphondo ligunquko lokuba ziyaqhuba ingxoxo namaqela achaphazeleka uqinisekisa intsebenziswano nokusengela thungeni linye.